Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up one of these Sharper Image Slideways Racer. It's an RC radio control car. Has a lot of pretty good little stunts it does. We'll open this up, show you how it does. Here we are, Sharper Image Slideways Racer. Take it for a spin. Let's open this guy up and see if it'll do what it says it does. There's my directions. There's the little racer. Shows you how to do the things with it, stunts and all that. It's not really an instruction. It's booklet, it's an instruction sheet. Let's see how it does. Okay. Take off the hold downs here. Looks like we got a couple more here at the back. Get in there and cut it. And there it is. Get the box out of the way there. There's our little racer. Look at that little guy. The wheels turn. Look at there. Here's our transmitter. Got to get that out because you got to be able to drive this little guy. Cut them little hold downs. There we go. We got to put some batteries in this, looks like. We'll get some batteries in it. We'll get it down here on the floor and see how it does. Alright, put batteries in your transmitter. There's a little red button right here on top, okay? Take something, push that little red button down, back comes right off. Takes two AAA batteries. Sure you get them in the right direction. The negative goes toward the spring. Slide this back on. There's your transmitter, okay? Alright, batteries go in the bottom of the little car here. Unscrew this. And it shows you that the front two go positive up. That's the little button on the top. The other two go, let's see. The other two go, wait a minute, I did that wrong. Let me get this right. It goes positive to here, negative to here. Now on the back, two batteries, positive here, negative up, right here, okay? Now what we're going to do is put the back on, screw it down so the batteries don't come out. Yep. All right. On off switch right here. See the light come on? Press the button here. Transmitter comes on. Whoa! What you do is the left button here goes forward backwards. The right button goes, see how it goes, the wheels turn sideways? Alright, we'll get this little guy down the floor and get it going and show you how to do it, okay? First thing you want to do is turn your transmitter on. Hold down that button and watch the light come on. There it is. Now, Right here is the on-off button. Turn it on, see the light come on. Set it down on the floor. Forward, backward, hover right, hover left, okay? You see that? Watch it stand up here. See how the wheels turn sideways? See there? Stands up, I like that. Click forward and it just goes down, okay? Look at it hover. Go the other way now. Forward, now back it up and hit forward real quick. See it stand up? Hit forward again or backwards again, either one, it'll fall back down. Alright, how you like that? Alright, when you're through, pick it up. Turn the switch back off right here to save your batteries. Hold down the button on your transmitter till it goes off. And you're done. Okay, overall, it does not have a left and right turn. So if you're looking for a radio control car that you can drive around, this is not really the one. It's a lot of fun when you do the hovering and it hovers and turns and all that kind of stuff. If that's the kind of thing you're looking for, this is a good deal. It was only like $12.95, so you can get these on Amazon or Walmart, either one. Go check them out. If you'll check out the description below, I have a link to where you can find these on Amazon, so go check them out. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.